Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. Example number 7, page number 202. From a point on the bridge across the river, the angle of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the bridge is at a height of 3 meters from the banks, find the width of the river. Clear? Excuse me. Now we can represent the problem in a diagrammatic. You just consider this is a river. AB, right? This is a river. Excuse me, da. So AB is a width of the river. Then BD is a height of the river. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Now from that point on the bridge. Actually, you just consider this is a bridge. This is a bridge, right? So in this bridge, the point we just consider point P. It has an angle of depression on the both sides. That is a 30 degree and 45 degree. Are you all clear? You just consider this is a bridge. It is a width, height, then angle of depression. Are you clear? Here it is a P. Excuse me, da. So the height of the bridge is 3 meter. Then width of the bridge, that is a AB. We need to find a AB. Are you clear? Excuse me. Okay, da. Now we just take it as a let A and B are the represented. We just represent A and B are the points on the bank. Clear? Then AB is the width of the river. We know that AB is the width of the river. And DP, that is the height. What it is? 3 centimeter. They given a book, right? Height of the bridge. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse. Now we can consider the triangle. From the diagram, we should consider the triangle ABB. APB. Now we can consider the triangle ABB. In this ABB triangle, what is the AB length? What is the AB? How will you find the AB? That is AD plus DB, right? Excuse me, it's not a right angle triangle. You can listen. ABB is not right angle triangle. So just consider ABB. In that ABB, AD, we can find a AB value. So AB is the width of the river. It is equal to AD plus DB. Clear? When we add a AD plus DB, we will find a AB, right? Clear? Excuse me. Okay. So when we want to know the AB value, we need to know AD value and DB value, right? Excuse me. Okay. Now we can find the AD value. Clear? AD value. So AD value. So when you want to find the AD value, you just consider the triangle, this right angle triangle. ABD. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. First we consider the whole triangle because when we want to know the AB value, so we know that AB is equal to sum of AD plus DB. So when you want to find the AB value, we should know AD and DB value. So now we can find the AD value. So AD. So AD is very easiest one. What it is AD? How will you find the AD? First, you can consider the triangle. This right angle triangle. Triangle ABD right angle triangle. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Now we can consider the triangle ABD. In this ABD, we know that what is the angle A? What is the angle A? What is the angle A? Can you guess me what it is? These two lines are considered as a parallel line. Then what is the angle A? I'm asking angle A. What is the measure angle? Ah, I'm asking for angle A. Measure. Angle measure. 30 degree. How it is 30 degree? No, baby. Yes, it's not opposite. Make it clear what it is. In a transversal, we just consider the transversal. LM is a transversal. Then in a transversal, very good. Alternative angles of a transversal. Clear. So LM and B are parallel lines. Then when we consider BA is a transversal, then this alternative angles are equal. So angle A also 60. Are you clear? Excuse me, da. Okay. Now we get an angle. We want to know AD value, but we have here BD only. So now we can write some ratio. It is included that AD and BD. Which one? Opposite to the angle and adjacent to the angle. Tan or cot. Clear? Tan or cot. So here we can go with a tan theta. So tan 30 degrees equal to tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So BD by AD. BD by AD. Are you clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now you can check a diagram. What is the tan 30 degree value? 1 by root 3. Listen, you just clear with the table. Otherwise, you just make it simply table. Nearby the rough column, you just make a table. Ratio table. That is a special angle for, value for special angles. So 1 by root 3 is equal to BD value. We know that what it is BD value. 3. So 3 by AD. Are you clear? Excuse me. Then you can put a cross multiplication. 1 into AD. AD is equal to 3 root 3 meter. Then now we found a AD. Clear? Completed. So next what we want to find here? dB value, because AD we founded. Next dB. So when you want to find a dB value, what we supposed to do? The same procedure. We just consider the triangle BBD. Then what is the angle B? 40 degree. Very good. So now we can consider the first triangle BBD. In that BBD, angle B is equal to 45 degree. 45, right? Okay, baby. Sorry, da. Right, 45. 45 degree, da. So here also 45. So 45 degree. Next, what it is? 45 degree. Next. Now we want to find BD and these two values. Excuse me. Now BD value is 3 only, no? What ratio we can use it here? What ratio? What ratio we can use it? What ratio we can use it, Ra? Excuse me? Okay. After writing this triangle, you can come here. So tan 45 degree equal to what it is? Opposite. BD by what it is? BD. Very good. Super. So tan 45 what it is? 1. So BD by BD. Then we can write cross multiplication. Very good. BD is equal to DB. Clear? Excuse me. Now, what is the BD value? The height value. BD is equal to 3. So now we found it is a 3. Clear? Excuse me. Next, now AB value. As usual, AB value. We know that sum of AD plus DB. So AB is equal to BD plus AD. So BD value was 3. 3 plus 3 root 3. 3 plus 3 root 3. We should add it 3 and 3 root 3. So we can take a 3 as a common side. 1 plus root 3 meter. So the width of the river is 3 into 1 plus root 3 meter. Are you clear? Any doubt? I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.